Going to be unboxing a mouse from Logitech. This is a fairly compact mouse. This is the B170. As you can see, it's fairly small. The packaging is fairly small. That tells you something about the mouse on the inside as well. On the top, we see that Logitech is advertising it as a reliable wireless mouse with good connectivity. On the sides, we can see that it's mentioned to have compliance with IMDA standards DB101104. We don't know exactly what that happens to be. We should probably look it up later on. And on the rear side, we have a massive sticker that's hiding practically everything else we can see. So let's see if we can figure out what it says. So the center icon is mentioning that it has 12 months battery life. And over here it says it's a plug and play solution, and this one happens to be about the range. It says it has a range of about 10 meters, and this is a little bit of marketing information. It's claiming Logitech is the world leader in mice, and we have some additional specifications which I can't figure out. And on this side we have the model number mentioned again. That's the B170. So I think that's about all we can see on the packaging, and we can proceed with the unboxing. There it is, the mouse itself inside a little packaging, and then there is a little instruction manual that tells you how to sort of set it up, how to switch it on, where to find the little dongle that allows you to plug it into the PC, and that's fairly simple information. There's nothing else on the inside aside from this little Logitech safety, compliance and warranty information leaflet. You should always read these things, but barely anyone does. And let's get to the mouse itself. So as we mentioned previously, it's a fairly simple mouse, very compact. I'm guessing you can sort of use a claw grip with this. There's no way you can use a palm grip or anything else. This is very compact. It's got a left click, right click, and even the scroll wheel happens to be a switch. You can see the undersides and a little tab that you can pull in order to let the battery power the device. So that's about it. This is a fairly simple unboxing of the Logitech B170. It's a wireless USB mouse.